Using the average function. So far, we've learned a bit about aggregate functions and grouping. We've seen count, sum, max and min. Now, we'll look at a function for finding the average value. It's called AVG. The AVG function, short for average, allows us to find the average value in a range of values. Works similar to sum, but it finds the average and not the total. It works on numbers and dates. Let's see some examples. Let's find the average salary of an employee. Select AVG and then the salary column. From employee. This function looks similar to sum and min and max, but it finds the average. You can see it's shown a value of about 68,000. It also has a lot of decimals because it doesn't round any values as part of the average function. How do we find the average salary of an employee in each department? We'd select the department ID and then the average salary. From the employee table again, we would then group by the department ID. If we run the query, we can see a list of department IDs and their average salary. We can also order by the average salary. This will show us which department has the highest average salary. You can see at the top of the list it shows Department 7, which has the lowest salary. Department 1 has the highest salary. If we want to see the average hire date, select average hire date from employee. If we try to run the average function with a date, we'll get this error here. It says inconsistent data types, expected number got date. This is because the average function only accepts number values, not dates or string values. So these aggregate functions can be helpful in finding the answers to complicated questions, such as the average salary of all the employees. Some questions can't be answered with just a single aggregate function, and will need other concepts to get the answer. For example, we know the average salary here. How do we find all employees who earn more than this average salary? We'll learn how to write a query that gives us this answer later in the course. So if you're wondering how to get information like that, you'll have the answer soon. For now, we'll learn about the concepts of joins and aliases.